Wow, what is that? Woohoo! The green terror is a colorful freshwater fish in the cichlid family. The fish originates from the Pacific side of South America from the Tumbes River in Peru to the Esmeraldas River in Ecuador. It is polymorphic and can have white or gold-orange edging to the tail and dorsal fins.
Wow!
Wow, what is that? Betta is a freshwater fish with a raised knife-like back, while the belly looks flat and wide. Another feature that makes this fish unique is the caudal fin that connects with the anal fin. The jaws of betta fish also grow elongated as they age. The jaws can even pass behind the eyes in an adult fish because of this unique shape. Betta is often used as an ornamental fish and kept in an aquarium. Wow, what is that? Woohoo! Hello, my name is red-tail catfish. Red-tail catfish are predatory freshwater fish. If these natural instincts kick in, then some may argue that they are quite aggressive. This catfish can reach 5 feet (1.5 meters) or more in length. Wow, what is that? Introduce. This is peacock bass fish. He comes from the rivers on the American continent. Peacock bass is a predatory fish suitable for beginners. This fish is easy to find by ornamental fish sellers. Why is it suitable for beginners? This fish is not too fussy about water quality in Indonesia. This fish is also safe and will not bite human hands. Wow, what is that? Woohoo! Introduce. This is the lawan fish. It is a type of freshwater ornamental fish that has unique characteristics in its body parts, namely the shape of its head or forehead, which is bulging, and various patterns of scales. The lawan fish is more commonly known because of the unique genome on its head. Cool, right? Wow, what is that? Woohoo! Koi, or more specifically nishikigo, are colored varieties of the carp that are kept for decorative purposes in outdoor koi ponds or water gardens. Koi is an informal name for the colored variants of Ceruber fuscus kept for ornamental purposes. Wow, what is that? Introduce. This is red parrotfish. The red parrot is a cross between the Midas cichlid and the redhead cichlid. Therefore, it looks unique appearance. Food he can eat shrimp, pellets, earthworms. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.